Everything on. There's me hair. G'day, how you going? Welcome to my studio. I'm Ian Applis, your acrylic guru from Australia. No, I'll do that again. G'day, welcome to my studio. I'm Ian Applis. G'day. G'day, welcome to my studio. I'm Ian Applis, your acrylic guru from Australia, and I want to show you beginners and advanced beginners what you can paint in acrylic, and these are my free gifts to you. Just want to get the size of my canvas up there, and I will also get some colours running up the screen that I'm going to use in this tutorial. So you saw the opening credits, what we're going to paint today. So let's get on over here and I'm going to show you on the canvas what we're going to do.